She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night.
Start by applying the foundation throughout the face to even out the skin tone and to hide your blemishes. I either use a foundation brush or a small flat brush to apply the foundation. It's up to you. I'm using a small flat brush today because I wanted to. And since it's summer, you can also skip the foundation if you feel stuffy, or you can also check out my video on how to do a sweat-proof base makeup right here.
Have you by my side, just don't stay the night. What's right? I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night.
And to set the base makeup, I'm going in with my favorite compact. This compact is closest to my skin tone, and I love using this compact whenever I'm going out or whenever setting my face on regular basis. And again, I'm using a fluffy brush to apply it throughout the face.
Never turn it down. Oh, I probably should have.
Applying the contour below my cheekbone area and covering the entire portion to give me a slimmer looking face.
Made me lose my self-control. All I wanna do is make you feel alright. You drive me crazy.
Also applying it slightly to the forehead to give the illusion of a small forehead. For the nose contour, I'm using a small brush and brushing the contour shade onto the sides of my nose and connecting it to the brows.
What's right? Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side.
I have an oily face, so I avoid using shimmery shades to highlight. So I'll be using this lighter shade compact to highlight my nose area, and I'll be blending it with my fingers.
Oh, don't stay the night. She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm
Start by drawing the frame of the brows and then fill the ends of the brows in.
honest. I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So
Smudge the harsh lines with the brush on the other side of the brow pencil to blend everything.
go, girl, you know that I'ma want you.
Now I'm starting the eye makeup by using a base eyeshadow to cover the entire upper and the lower lid area. This is going to add a bit of color to the eyelid area while cancelling out the pigment of my eyes.
But please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Baby, please don't stay the night.
Adding a pop of color to the ends of my eyes with this burnt orange shade. This orange shade complements my skin a lot, so I'm just adding a tiny bit on the outer ends of my upper and my lower eyelid area.
Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night.
And now using this brown shade to lift the ends of my eyes up. Be sure to blend the shade out so it looks really natural. You can also skip this step if you don't have droopy eyes.
She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning.
And now I'm using this light shade to highlight the aerosol portion of my eye area. I'm using a small flat brush to pack the shade into this area.
Probably should have kicked her out by now. But you're the finest.
I'll be using this brown contour shade and adding a thin line on my aerosol area, and then I'm connecting it to the ends of my eyes. This gives it a natural transition.
Turn me on, and that's the reason I'ma let you go. 'Cause you and I both know.
Shimmer in summer is just going to make your eyes pop whenever you go out on the sun, so I'm just adding a slight bit of shimmer onto my upper eyelids. And now I'll be using the kajal to define my eyes. I'll be lining the upper and the lower waterline with the kajal. And while applying the kajal on the lower waterline, I'm just keeping it to the outer end and not bringing it inwards. For the eyeliner, I'll be drawing a really sleek wing eyeliner. First, I'll be drawing the outer portion of my wing and then I'll be lining the other areas of my eye. While drawing the wing eyeliner, try to keep it away from your crease area so the shape doesn't get distorted in your crease.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know
I just got this new eyelash color from Miniso and I absolutely love this eyelash color. Since I won't be wearing any fake lashes, I'm gonna be using the eyelash curler to curl the lashes up to give a bit of density to my lashes and to extend them. And once the lashes are curled, I'm going with coats of mascara. This is a small tip. If there is a lot of product on your mascara wand, swipe the excess product on the cap of your mascara so you get an even application while applying the mascara.
do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Ooh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night.
I'm using the same burnt orange shade to apply the blush to the cheekbone areas.
I'm being polite. Ooh, don't stay the night.
And also applying a tiny bit on my nose too. Now for the lipstick. The lipstick is divided into 4 steps. You can actually skip these steps and draw the lipstick however you want, but to get a naturally looking tint on my lips, I'm gonna be following all these 4 steps. So the first step, I'm gonna outline the lip with the mask lipstick.
Probably should have kicked her out by now. But you're the finest.
And once the step is done, I'm going in with a lip shade that's going to be beige shade and applying it throughout the lips.
You drive me crazy, turn me on, and that's the reason I'ma let you go. 'Cause you and I both know that we can't keep it quiet. So please don't stay.
Now I'm going to be using this brown lip liner to outline my lips again. This is going to add a bit of depth back into the lips. I'm just following the same outline as I did in the first step.
Don't make me ask you twice. Ooh, don't stay the night. Don't try to.
Now I'm applying this beautiful red shade to my lips. And once all the shades are in place, I'm gonna be removing the shades with my beauty blender. I'm just swiping the beauty blender to remove the shades a bit, and this is going to create a natural looking tint to my lip. And we've reached the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can also check out my other videos right here. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
Being honest, I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on.